Hi, this is Caroline Hensley, the English Career Advisor. If you're reading the newsletter, you probably know that, but it's nice to see you again this week anyway. Thanks for joining me to showcase a tip and trick of the week. You'll see behind me on the screen that I have pulled up the website for the International Internship Program here at UW. This office represents a really neat collaboration between the study abroad programs, the international division, international studies, and lots of different folks here on campus. But basically, this is a great program, and if you scroll down, you can access their database of internship postings. Each semester, they have students who go abroad or students who work virtually with international programs. And if you go to the database, you'll notice it looks a little bit like a job board of opportunities just for UW-Madison students. So you will need your NetID to log in. I've done that already. And then when I get to the page, it shows me that there are currently 78 opportunities available. Several of them are for the spring still, but of course, summer postings have been listed here as well already. So some different ways you can explore these options. You can use the keyword search feature over here to input something like communications, teaching, law, whatever it might be. You could browse via country or term that you're hoping to go abroad, different world regions that might be attractive to you, and super usefully, different fields and industries that are relevant. So for humanities majors, this is productive because you might want to click something like communications, marketing, education, social services, so on and so forth. And so to give you a taste of what this looks like when you find positions that might be relevant to your skill set, I'm going to input communications in our keyword search for now. That narrows us to 25 opportunities. They're in alphabetical order. So at the top, we have several positions in Costa Rica that look like they're centered around marketing, admin, exchange programs, outreach. Then we get down to some other positions in Ecuador, France, Germany, Guatemala. So all kinds of places you could go. You'll see a range here again for summer positions that are up already, some fall positions that have yet to be filled, and so on. But I want to click on a specific one that's available for the spring for those of you who might be interested in teaching. So I've had my eye on this position in France for a while. It's with a university program called CESI. And effectively what you would be doing is teaching English lessons to students. So you can see a list of details here for the responsibilities for this internship, which include preparing some workshops, supervising different sessions and testing, helping students achieve, greater access in English through different kinds of exercises, games, lessons, so on and so forth. This would be an amazing position for somebody who's hoping to go into education long-term, maybe to get a TESOL certificate or to apply for a master's in curriculum and instruction program after graduation. This one's eligible. Eligibility requirements ask that you be a junior or senior with a certain GPA, maybe a little bit of French knowledge, which is obviously useful here. And then if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that the application deadline is listed. This one's coming up a couple days from now, which is why I chose to highlight this position, so October 23rd. And then you get some more details here about academics. So in this case, you would get credit for an international studies class, what life is like going abroad and where this location in France is, some program logistics, cost and funding for flight, housing. They don't have anything under Student Voices right now, but under Apply Now, you can see some information about how you would submit a thorough application for this. So I just wanted to share the International Internship Program with you because it is so simple to go abroad, especially when you have an amazing team of advisors behind you, like those who are affiliated with this office. And this database changes every semester. So even if it doesn't fit in your life now, or if you would prefer to do something virtual, this can be a really incredible, robust experience working in a global community to have on your resume. So thanks for joining me for this week's tips and tricks, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.